Experiencing sound problems with your Lenovo docking station? First, ensure your dock is getting enough power, at least 65 watts via USB-C PD. Check for any physical damage or debris in the USB-C connection. Next, restart both your laptop and the docking station. After rebooting, make sure the dock is selected as the default audio output device in your operating system's sound settings. If the issue persists, move on to the next step. If a simple restart doesn't solve the audio issue, the problem likely lies with drivers or firmware. Use the Lenovo Vantage app to check for and install any available driver and firmware updates for your docking station. Specifically, look for Realtek or Connexent audio driver updates. After updating, reboot your system. If problems continue, try uninstalling the audio driver from Device Manager. Then reinstall the latest version from the Lenovo support website. If this doesn't solve the problem, it may be a sign of hardware issues. In this case, contact Lenovo support.